Dear ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for joining us today, also on behalf of the entire Renewable Carbon Initiative. My name is Svenja Dahl from Nova Institute, and today here with me, one of our members, LanzaTech. As representative here with me, Mr. Sean Simpson, hello. Sean is scientific officer and co-founder of the company, and he holds a PhD in biochemistry. And I will also give a short introduction on the company itself. So LanzaTech developed a technology that transforms CO2 emissions into a how they call it, a feedstock opportunity. So with their carbon smart ethanol technology, it relates to capturing carbon, e.g. from steel mills, and effectively turning pollution into new products such as fuels, chemicals, and plastic for consumer products. So, Sean, where does the motivation come from to develop a technology that use renewable carbon for products?
Well, I think the primary motivation is that we have an overwhelming need now to replace fossil resources for fuels, for chemicals, for materials. And to be able to do this at the scale at which we need to do it, we need every possible molecule of above ground carbon. So that means using waste streams from industry, waste streams from society, waste streams from agriculture, as well as CO2 that we can purify out of our atmosphere. And these all need to be processed by technologies into products. And so our focus was really to provide one such technology that allows these carbon-rich waste streams to be transformed into fuels and chemicals and materials. And that's what we started doing, and that's what we ended up doing.
Okay. And you already have products made from renewable carbon with your captured with your technology on the market. What is really an innovation. And did you face any difficulties to develop this value chain?
Yeah, I mean, it is very challenging to develop a value chain. So our process, in the first instance, our first commercial plant takes a waste stream produced by steelmaking, and this gaseous waste stream from the steel mill is converted into ethanol, and we take that ethanol and we make it into various products. And to deliver a product at the right specification through the value chain needed, that's challenging in the first instance. There's really an activation energy that you have to overcome to achieve that. But we've done it now, and that's super exciting.
Yeah, cool. And who was the driver in this value chain? Was it you, or was it your customer, or some of your partners in the value chain?
At first, it was really us. But when we were able to show people what we could make, show customers what we should make, there really began a market pull, and that's been really exciting. I think the market will pull once there is a tangible demonstration of a product that they can use. And what's been very exciting for us is the observation that the market has embraced this idea of recycled carbon as a functionality that they value.
Okay, that's very interesting and very motivating to do more. So it's not carbon capturing and renewable carbon is not on the consumer's brain at the moment. So do you think that the positioning and marketing of these products is more effectively when brand owners are involved in this value chain?
Absolutely. And because brand owners understand their customers, they spend most of their time trying to understand the motivation and thinking and direction of their customer base. And we as technology developers understand technology. I understand more about a microbe than I do about a society. So I think this partnership between companies like us that develop products and brand owners who fashion those products and make them acceptable, exciting, and desirable to the public is really necessary.
Yeah. I see and I hear in your voice that you are very motivated, and yeah, this leads me already to my final question. So, what are LanzaTech's goals in the Renewable Carbon Initiative, and what do you hope to achieve within the initiative?
Well, I think the big thing is we're at the start of a really exciting journey, a journey to enable the use of renewable carbon resources for the production of fuels and chemicals and materials. And at the start of this journey, it's really, really important that as an industry, we speak with one voice to fashion an understanding of what that industry can do, what the opportunity for the industry is, in order that politicians, the public, the brand owners all do not become confused by the variety of technologies that are available to deliver products to them or to recycle carbon. And so it's really to make sure that we become harmonized in our thinking and our messaging, and educate people about what is possible. So much is possible, but I think that the challenge is making sure that people understand what is really possible.
Yeah, thank you for this sharing this nice goal with us. Yeah, thank you, Sean, for this very informative talk. And
No worries.
yeah, and thank you also, dear viewers out there, for joining us today and watching us. And dear viewers, if you are now interested in our members, in our activities, or in our overall strategy, please note the web address in the final credits of this video. And I'm really looking forward if you tune in next time. Bye-bye.